finished attending the mass and we caught up a heavy rain after the mass. Right, and time went out of the church. So,
she's new to Illinois.
Yeah, so the rain here.
Here they say if you don't like
You don't
the
want
weather,
it.
wait 30 minutes. It'll change.
Yeah, because a while ago it's very, very hot when we went to the
And
church.
sunny. Not
It's
now.
very sunny. Now, take a look on it. It's very, very rainy. And the rain here.
That's what I was telling. That's what I was
very
telling you
cold.
earlier. I was like, see that up under there? That is bad.
Yeah. Oh, you miscalculate a bit.
I thought it was
said
gonna
it.
miss us. It didn't.
It's very, very cold. But then you're walking slowly a while ago. It's like you really wanted me to experience the rain, the
No, it
raindrops.
doesn't matter. I've gotten wet so many times. It didn't impact me. Because this is Illinois.
It's springtime. So that's why. Just wanted to share it with you, Mama, Papa, and Tasha. I know you like rain there in the Philippines, but here I don't know.
Same rain.
I don't know if
They
you're
won't
gonna like
this rain.
you will like the rain here because the rain here it's very cold. It's like ice water.
In the Philippines, it's nice rain. It's like taking a shower outside.
Yeah,
Here, no,
bit
you don't want to be
warm. It's very, very cold.
And the drops are big, so they hit you hard.
Be careful, sweetie.
Damn. That little turn lane, I should have stopped right there. I'll go down the Sheridan and go up that way.
Huh?
I said I'll go down the Sheridan and go up that way.
I don't know what you're talking about. All of a sudden, it's raining so hard. Oh, we can't grill outside.
No, this rain can't continue. It's raining too hard. It's not sustainable.
Because we're planning on grilling today.
This will stop. This will be down in about a half hour.
We can't grill. Because it's raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. That's the first nursery rhyme song that I teach Tasha before, aside from Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Oh, that's scary. There's lightning, sweetie.
No, what'll be scary to you is if you went the first time we get into a severe thunderstorm and run to the road.
Ah,
Right now it's just raining. It's not a severe thunderstorm.
it's not a severe thunderstorm.
A severe thunderstorm is when winds are strong enough to knock off the tree.
This is probably the last time that we're gonna have a spring. Oh, see? I think some of the old parishioners didn't went out. I think they're gonna wait until the rain stops.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna wait until the rain stops. Especially the old people already, it might be difficult for them to drive. So, this is just like a quick update only of the weather that we have here right now in Illinois.
Extremely unpredictable.
Yeah, a while ago we went out. It's like it's very, very hot. Summer season thing. And then all of a sudden
It was 95 when we went to church, and now it's 74.
Ah, we're can you see the temperature then?
Temperature dropped 30 degrees. My car tells me.
I don't know.
AI, remember?
No, I don't know. So, guys, we're gonna say goodbye for a while because we will be going home and we don't have umbrella. I guess
It's nice and wet.
gonna run. Bye everyone. Stay safe. Bye Mama, Papa, Tasha.
Yeah, screw that. We're not getting
Gotwin and Luwin.
Screw that. We're not getting nice and wet. Sorry.
What you gonna do? Oh, sweetie. Oh, be careful. Oh, are you sure you can?
Yep.
Not really.
Right.
What if you're gonna wait for a while until the rain stops a little bit?
Nope.
Bye. I love you all. Bye, Tasha. I love you, Tasha. And I'll stay here for a while because you have to open the door there. And we're gonna run together.
No. I'm gonna get out first. Open the door, and then you're gonna come.
I said, you take a picture for a while.
Hurry, baby. Door's open.
Okay, bye. Bye, Luwin, Godwin. Bye, Luna. Stay safe, everyone. It's raining so hard. I'm worried about my plants.
This is why Lucy ain't so popular is wet.
Why?
My jeans.